Alright, my fellow Biafra is don't boss again. But before I say anything concerning this video, I want all Biafran to just calm down and watch this video. Because the four back group have started it again. Just make una just calm down and see what these people are doing in Finland. Telling us that they are seeking for the help of Simon Ekpa. That they are telling the Finland government to release Simon Ekpa. Warrant, they are the one doing all those things wey happen in this Biafra struggle. Guys, I don't want to talk too much, but make una just calm down and listen to Mr. Ogenkere. He's the one that sold Simon Ekpa to Finnish government. Now he's coming out to tell us that they are seeking for the release of Simon Ekpa. So I don't want to talk too much, but just calm down. Listen to him and listen to his team and see what they are doing in that place. And if you have not followed me, do well to follow me and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that any day, anytime updates drop like this, I got to bring them back to back. Make una watch the video first, and do not forget to share and drop your own opinion in the comment section, because this man called himself Ogenkere is the one causing this problem in Biafra struggle. Vam have come out to tell us that this man is the one causing the problem, and some people are still following the man. Just watch the video and drop your opinion in the comment section. One love.
Question now left unanswered, and I believe we all know the answer. The answer is that we must prevail. We must make sure that they are trying to prevent us from becoming. We must make sure that we are free as a free people. When we walk up to deliver the letter, just because of what is going on, the officer is supposed to see something that he figure out is being recorded. So, of course. So, we believe everything that is happening is political motivated. It's not because our Prime Minister commits any crime. Finland was upon the time they fought for their freedom to be free from Russia. This great country which we all hear about, and some of us are citizens of, United States of America, if you get regain their sovereignty or regain United States 1776. So freedom, our right, is every God, human being right. So we must keep fighting, whether we are few or many. And remember the saying that goes that it takes few to do what? Liberate the many. And that's why for those that are Christian, they are familiar with narrow leads to what? Salvation. Why broad lead to destruction. So the number here today, we're so grateful we're able to pull up this number of people. And those that are not able to be here, I believe that they are grateful that we represent them. You're always going to have somebody who will represent you. And this great country, United States of America, we've been in touch with Congress. So every day we do receive positive news from Capitol Hill. Of course, we have our lobbyists, advancing people of the same one or two things. So we are grateful that we are moving forward, and we are not going to retreat. No retreat.
No going back. Always forward.
Man that just left. We know what he's doing. I'm just on it as well. So when we walk to the officer earlier on, so he says something that the embassy is closed. But go to the website or Google it, they are open. Just because they know we are coming to protest. Just because they know that we are coming here to ask for our freedom. Because holding Mazi, our Prime Minister Simon Ekpa, is to deprive us from being free. So at the end, no matter whatever they do, we must definitely be free. So no man or woman born of a woman can stop with our leader Martin Luther once said it. And I believe each and every one of us is our right to be free. It's our right to fight for our freedom. We cannot fight and leave this fight for another day.
Sure.
Most of us here have kids. So just imagine if you decide to fight and leave the fight for another day. That means you want your children to start.
Yeah, we have all seen it. What's happening?
And that will never happen.
can never happen.
Suffering, sunshine. We must fight and we must get our freedom. It doesn't matter anyhow. But as far as the Nigerian state, we saw what happened 2 days ago. United States of America warned her citizens to do what? Stop traveling to where? They named kidnapping. They named the unrest. If United States of America of all people can know what is going on in that contraption shithole, what about you and I? If they can tell you your story, your history, what about you?
Our people are living in denial.
That's why the United States of America Intelligence Agency, they made it clear as well that in the year.
All we are saying, free Simon Eba. All we are saying, free Simon Eba. Simon Eba has committed no crime. His crime is only for fighting for his people to be free. That is why we are telling you today, Finland, that we are here to tell you that Simon Eba is only fighting a just cause for his people. And that is why we are telling you to free him today. Free Simon Eba. All we are saying, 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 and we believe you can hear us. That is the reason why we are here today. We, the people of Biafra, the public government in exile, we are here to tell you that Simon Eba has committed no crime. He's only fighting a just cause, fighting for freedom of his people. That is only sin that he has committed. We are telling you today, please, Finland, free Simon Eba because he has committed no crime. We are saying, free Simon Eba.
Finland.
All we are saying,
He has committed no crime.
free Simon Eba.
Free.
All we are saying, free Simon Eba.
Okay, let's go Eba. Mr. Menike.
Okay, it's okay.
Oh, hail Biafra. Oh, hail Biafra. I put it on the video for now. You guys on the video.
Yes, we like your time.
Okay.
BRGIE. Webano.
Yes.
Yes, Hamadike. They must free him, whether they like it or not.
Speak aloud.
They must free him, whether they like it or not. Our BF and our Onyendu. They must free him. This is our Prime Minister, the only man we believe on. Yes. They must free him, whether they like it or not.
Yes.
Yes.
Bringing USA branch. We are here for the Finland Embassy. We are here to demand for our leaders. Free Simon Eba. He's a peacemaker. Free Simon Eba. He's a peacemaker. Free Nnamdi Kanu. They're fighting for their rights. All hail Biafra. Biafra will hail thee.
Finland.
Yes, I have to get Finland Embassy.
We no go gree.
We no go green.
We will now must get Biafra. Release our Prime Minister. Biafra or Biafra? Finland Authority. Release our Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa. Prime Minister, Simon Ekpa is a freedom fighter. He's our Prime Minister of Biafra Republic government in exile.
All hail Biafra.
Freedom for
Biafra.
Freedom for Prime Minister Britain.